Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Motorola Moto One 5G Ace mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and then follows with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the paste adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic cup pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Next, using a heat gun, apply heat to soften the glue on the fingerprint button. Next, hold the Touch ID button and pull out the back cover from the body. Next, take out the board frame by undoing 10 screws. Be gentle with the fingerprint button. Next, disconnect the battery plug by raising the graphite tape. Next, pull out the not talking front camera from the board. Next, disconnect and pull out the not talking macro camera from the board. Next, pull out the logic board to disconnect the wide and ultra wide cameras from the board. Next, disconnect two antenna heads, main ribbon connector and LCD connector from the board. And then take out the SIM tray and undo two screws from the logic board. Next, gently lift the board using a pry tool. Next, pull out the broken wide and ultra wide cameras from the board. Next, place the new wide and ultra wide cameras into the board. If your replacement part is coming without the copper tape, please remove it from the old unit and then put it on the new cameras. Next, gently secure the board to the body. Next, secure 2 screws and insert the SIM tray. And then connect 2 antenna heads and 2 connector plugs into the board. Next, place the new macro camera into the board. Next, place the new front camera with the copper tape. Next, connect the battery plug. Next, place the board frame by adding 10 screws. Ensure the fingerprint button has secured on the frame. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.